Today I will talk about a concept that changed my trading forever: time and price. First of all, you need to break down price into all of the sessions. Of course, London session, Asian session, and New York sessions. You first of all need to understand the basics that trading is broke up into sessions, and that's how it's able to stay open at all times. Like a lot of people in the beginning, I was just throwing shit at the wall and hoping something will stick. But eventually you realize that you need a proper plan and a proper approach to actually be successful. There are many parts of a trader's trading plan. The time where you're going to trade is a very important part of your trading plan, because I would say majority of making money in the markets is getting in the markets at the right time. You obviously need to collect a lot of data on the specific instrument that you are trading in order to really determine which is the best time to trade. Obviously, as well, people have a routine and other parts of life, and depending on where you are in the world, some trading times will not work for you. So it is very, very important that you collect data on this so you can really find what trading time is best for you, because you might find that what someone has told you doesn't really work for you. So this is why you need data, and that's what's going to build confidence at the end of the day if you collect data yourself. This will vary depending on the style you trade and obviously the instrument you trade, but this can be applied to the entire market, this concept, time and price. If you actually want to make consistent money in the markets, you do not want to be in the markets all the time. What I found is that you don't just want to jump in the markets whenever you see a good setup or whether you think you see a good setup, because you will find that maybe the setup was valid, but it just wasn't the right time to get into the markets. When I realized this helped me avoid a lot of losses in the market. There are going to be times where you might miss a winning trade, and you need to be okay with that because you have strict rules on the timing of your trades. Most of the time it will protect you. When it comes to price, everyone understands the simple concept of if you're looking to buy, you want to buy low, and if you're looking to sell, you want to sell high to best position yourself in the markets for the most amount of profit. Sometimes it can actually be hard for beginners to determine whether price is actually high or low depending on the market conditions. Understanding how time works with price can help you on this. Whether you think price is high or low, whether it lines up with the timing or not, can help you decide whether the trade you're looking at is actually worth taking or not. I'm not saying that you need to only trade one session, but maybe as a beginner is the best approach for you to start understanding how time works. That's what helped me get disciplined to trading at the right times and not forcing trades at random times. Then once you get more experience, you can start applying this concept to other sessions and understanding how price reacts on a specific instrument in other sessions as well, and you can put that all together. But I would first understand one session because it just makes it easier and more simple. For example, I look for trades in all sessions now. I analyze all sessions, but I only trade a specific small period of those certain sessions, and I use that as confirmation for my trades now, as I've collected experience and data on how price reacts at certain times. And this is how time works with price. Once you apply this to the charts, you'll start to notice and realize that certain things are happening at certain times, and this is no coincidence. Anyway guys, keep back testing and you'll see what I'm talking about. God bless. Just keep up to date with me on Instagram and the Telegram below. There's a lot of value in the Telegram, so join the Telegram, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.